Hello everyone, this is Scott from startmedia.com and I'm going to be going over the latest Genesis 3.2 update. I did a preview video a little while back, and now the update's been released, and now we're going to go over to everything that kind of made it into the update that really matters to you. So, Genesis 3.2 will work on any site that is running WordPress 5.0 plus and is running on PHP 5.6 plus. And there are a lot of cool stuff that has been added. Let's see, we're going to go to the customizer first, and you can now edit the entry meta in the customizer. So if you go to theme settings and then singular content, you can now edit this. You can also, as always, show the featured images on posts and pages. This is just a continuation of a common functionality that was in Genesis Simple Edits, and it doesn't require you to add custom code into your child theme to do an otherwise really simple task. I'm really glad this has been added because previously doing this was just a very annoying procedure. And then, let's see, we can edit this, and then reading my notes. Yes, footer widgets can be disabled on a per post or per page basis. This is just another expansion that Genesis has been doing, and I very much agree with it. You can go to the homepage, for instance, and if you go to Genesis, you'll be able to disable the footer widgets right here. The fact that footer widgets are able to be disabled allows you to have a lot more functionality in your themes. And the great part is this can be easily expanded upon for additional custom post types by a simple snippet that you can add. And then, let's see, Open Graph data has been added by default. Sort of. So by default, the Open Graph data is going to be opt-in, so it'll be off by default, but it's going to be natively supported. You can enable it in the theme SEO settings in the customizer. So if you go appearance, customize, I'm just going to go do this real quick. And then theme SEO settings, and then you can go to Open Graph, and then you can enable it, and then you can declare a default image if no image has been set as the featured image for that page. And then it'll add the information right here. A simple update. What I wish is that they also took the time to add Twitter card data. These are really small things. Every SEO plugin on the market adds them. It's not like it would have been difficult or particularly time consuming to add support for it. But I digress. Native image lazy loading is supported in Genesis with a caveat. You have to declare theme support for Chrome native lazy loading. And what this will add is it'll just add the loading equals lazy attribute to all the images. So there is going to be documentation on how to do that, and you'll just be able to paste the one-liner for declaring theme support. Other than that, there's just been some nice fixes for bringing visual improvements to the theme setup page. So whenever you install a Genesis theme by default, it'll give you those new packs, which is really just the home page with a different image. And then you'll be able to look. There was one additional inclusion for the Genesis AMP menu CSS. The filter's been adjusted to adjust the AMP inline styles. And you're also able to pass attributes to the Genesis markup function. Other than that, I haven't really noticed anything other than that. It's a good update. Genesis still seeing some solid improvements. Still needs to branch out a little bit more. If they add a new theme, which I think is going to be a must, it has to be more editorial news focused, because almost every other Genesis theme, other than Magazine Pro and some of the one-off ones from third-party developers, they're just all business focused. Like just one good news theme is all they need. But overall, I'm very impressed. Genesis 3.3, I hope, will build on the improvements. I hope for some better integration in terms of the AMP menu for Genesis 3.3. And otherwise, we'll just continue to see what they do. If you have any questions about it, you can feel free to ask me in the comments below. Or if you need support from Genesis, you can contact them on the website. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.